Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Official Delorigin. So what we'll talk about in this channel is how to make money online and how to build your businesses or whatever, just AI. So if you find it useful, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video and give it a thumbs up. Comment wherever you're watching from. Now, what I'll be talking about on this video is affiliate marketing. So many people have heard, or maybe have heard of affiliate marketing, and maybe you don't know where to start or how to go about it. Now, I'll be dropping I'll give you some insights about it. So let's start with what is affiliate marketing in 2023. Affiliate marketing is you being a dead man to deliver a particular product or a particular thing to a client in a shorter time. Now, if I need this mouse and I want you to I need this mouse, okay, you will be informed of the third man party that I can help you get this mouse, but you're gonna pay me for it. Maybe you're gonna pay me $33, and that $33 will be my commission. Yes, so that's exactly the simple term to explain affiliate marketing. Now, I'll be giving you this insight. There's this affiliate marketing that is ongoing right now. So many people have made it with NordVPN and so many things. Now, I'll be giving you a couple of ways that you can do this. Now, there's this VPN, like currently what's trending on, or what I love most is VPNs. Now, if you check out on your Google and you type out soft VPN, the link will be on the description below. So click on the link and watch click on the link with my link. Click on that link and it will take you directly to the site where you become an affiliate. Create an account becoming an affiliate, and you're gonna be making more money on that. So what you're gonna be doing is that when anyone clicks on your link and buys the premium of that link, you're gonna be making money. And on my next video, I'll be talking about where to promote your affiliate links. Where to promote your affiliate links, because that's the problem people are facing right now. So if you find it useful on this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and that's all you can do for me right now. But remember, Elite Divine officially loves you guys.